Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. We can do that with Bloomberg's Nora Melinda. Nora, what are you looking at?
Well, no surprise, some of the most active stocks on the day are oil stocks. I'm looking at Chevron, that's ticker CVX. We've got Exxon in focus, SLB, Halliburton, all the peers rising. This, of course, is after all the news that we've really been getting about the U.S. is striking Venezuela. We have President Donald Trump pledging to revive the Venezuelan energy sector following the capture of Nicolás Maduro. So you are seeing shares of those companies rising higher. Oil is still higher, but still around 5-year lows at the moment. But you're definitely seeing a lot of investors coming in, trading on this. They said that Trump said that U.S. oil companies will spend billions of dollars to rebuild Venezuela's energy sector, energy infrastructure, and restore the nation's oil sector. So a lot of green across the screen if you're taking a deep dive into that sector.
What else do you have for us, Nora, in the stock market today?
Well, outside of this that we've really been focusing on, I'm also looking at Coinbase. This is actually one of the stocks that is one of the highest performing, biggest percentage gainers in the S&P 500, followed by those energy stocks. So we have Coin, ticker COIN. It's the biggest gainer, as I said, behind those oil and energy stocks. The stock earlier rallied as much as 7.8%. That's the best day since October. This is after it got an upgrade over at Goldman Sachs. We did have eToro shares, though, earlier falling. They have reversed those declines, now in the green, but this is after Goldman also downgraded the company. Talking about more growth from crypto infrastructure and prediction markets rather than crypto trading. So keeping an eye on Coinbase as well as eToro.
And your last one?
Yes, some more upgrade downgrade action. We're looking at Estee Lauder, that's ticker EL. We're seeing shares higher right now, up as much as 3.8% earlier, but pairing right now up about 0.7%. This is after Raymond James hopped in, raising their recommendation on the beauty company to a strong buy from Market Perform. But not only that, they also added Estee Lauder to the firm's Analyst Current Favorites List. Their price target is $130, which is the highest of all analysts that are tracked by Bloomberg on the street. So they're essentially talking about the fact that they think that fiscal 2025 marks the earnings trough, and this turnaround story now shifts to quote-unquote execution. Here's Scarlett.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.